Want to work from anywhere in the world? Good news, right now companies are hiring more remote workers than ever before. And here's the best part. AI tools can help you land these jobs, even if you don't have traditional experience. I'll show you exactly how. Meet Jake. Last year, he was stuck in a dead-end retail job. Today, he's a freelance copywriter working from Bali. The game changer? He used free AI tools to build skills and create a portfolio that got him hired. Here's how you can do it too. First, stop thinking you need a fancy degree. Companies care about what you can do, and AI can help you quickly develop those in-demand skills. Use ChatGPT to learn any skill. Ask it to create 30-day learning plans. Try Canva AI to design professional graphics with no experience needed. Use Otter.ai to practice interviews until you sound like a pro. Let's say you want to be a virtual assistant. Instead of saying, "I have no experience," you could use AI to generate practice client emails, create sample spreadsheets in seconds, and build a simple website with AI tools like Hostinga. See the magic? In one weekend, you can create proof of skills that used to take months. Your action plan. Pick one remote job that interests you. Use AI this week to create just 3 samples of work in that field. Put them on a simple LinkedIn profile or Google Doc. Then start applying, because right now, someone needs exactly what you can offer. The world of work has changed forever. Isn't it time you changed with it?